Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is truly a spur of the moment type of video. I woke up this morning and I was like, oh my gosh, I really just want to dye my hair. I've had black hair for about 2.5 years, and I guess to give you a little bit of a backstory, I used to dye my hair, this is not a joke, every 3 weeks. So my hair was very stressed, very damaged, and I knew if I dyed my hair one more time, I was going to wake up one morning and my hair was going to be laid out on my pillow. So I stopped dyeing my hair, but I figured, it's been long enough. It's warm outside, it's almost summertime, and I really just wanted a change. So I got up, I went to Sally's, I got the color I wanted, and this is how it turned out. And it's really subtle. It's not like, oh my gosh, I can't believe you did that. It's not black, it's not too blonde. I like that it's kind of like it turned out to be like a reddish color, reddish golden blonde. And the light really isn't giving it any justice. So let's see, there we go. So actually in the sun, it looks kind of like this golden color all around. That's what I thought. It's so pretty. I really love it. I like how it makes my skin pop. I don't look so drowned out by my makeup. It kind of makes my makeup and me look natural, you know what I mean? So I really hope you guys like this video. I'm going to show you how I did it, and I'll see you in a little bit. So when I went to Sally's this morning, I got a couple things this morning, of course. I got the L'Oreal Technique, the High Color Blondes for dark hair only, and this is in the color H15 or Golden Ginger. I got 2 boxes of this because normally with all my hair it takes 2 boxes. I also got the L'Oreal Developer in 30. I got the applicator brush. I may or may not use this. It just really depends on how I'm feeling at the moment. Then I got 2 applicator bottles. These are on sale for 99 cents. Bam! I was like, hey. Because normally I have to fill up one bottle, use the entire bottle, and then fill up another one, which is a pain in the wazoo. Then I went to Target and I got some disposable gloves. These are on sale as well. I think they were like $2.99. And that really is all I need to start the dyeing process. I am in my room right now. I think I feel a little bit more comfortable when I'm sitting down when I do this. So I have 2 towels, 2 big towels laid across my floor just to make sure I don't get anything on my carpet. So the first thing I'm going to do is split my hair into 4 sections. That just really makes it easy for me to apply the color to my whole head evenly. I would also say that if you're going to do this, please make sure that you're wearing a shirt that you care nothing about. Okay, so now that my hair is all parted into 4 sections, I'm going to go ahead and put my color, my mixture into the application bottle. I already did one already off camera, and I'm letting it sit for about 3 minutes before I start to use it. The first thing I'm going to do is put the color into the actual bottle. And let me put this down. And now I'm going to add the developer. And I add just about half a bottle to the actual color itself. I'm just going to put the cap back on like so, and then I'm just going to shake it up. So now I'm going to put on my rubber gloves, and I have a mirror right here so I know what I'm doing. Okay, so when I start to apply the color mixture, I'm going to apply it to the ends of my hair first. This hair has already been dyed before, so it's not fresh. I'm going to wait until I add the color to the entire end part of my hair before I add it to the base. The base, because it's fresh hair, it will dye a lot faster than my than the bottom part of my hair. Let's get started. And I don't want to go any further up my hair because I haven't dyed my hair in a very long time, and I do believe from this part to this part, this is all new hair, virgin hair. So just to be on the safe side, I'm just going to stay towards the middle to the bottom side while applying the color mixture. So now I'm going to do the same to the other 3 parts of my hair. Okay, so now that I have finished applying the dye to the lower parts of my entire head, I can go back and start to apply it to the base, to the middle sections. I'm going to try to do this as quickly as possible because I know once I start putting the dye on my virgin hair, it's going to start to turn rather quickly. Okay, so I'm going to do this to the rest of my head. Okay, so now that I have the mixture in my entire head, I'm going to let it sit for about 25 to 30 minutes. I'm just going to keep checking on it every 5 minutes just to see how it's coming along. If I feel like it's turning fast, then I'm going to obviously take it out. But generally, I like to keep it in for 30 minutes. I might go a little bit longer depending on the color. Okay, so the dye has been in my hair for about 30 minutes now, and it is time to wash it out. So now that I washed out all of the dye, I'm going to apply the Shea Moisture Deep Shea Butter Treatment Mask to my hair. I'm going to keep this on for about 45 minutes covered with my hair bonnet. Alright, so the Deep Treatment Mask has been in my hair for about 45 minutes to an hour, probably more like an hour. I'm just going to rinse it out and then style my hair like I normally would. I'm going to diffuse and that'll be it. So these are the results that I got after diffusing my hair, and again, I'm so pleased with the results of my hair because normally I'm super extra. I'm either really blonde or jet black, but I think I got it right this time. I hope you guys like the color on me. I hope you guys like this video. I hope it wasn't too long for you guys, but if you like the video, please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time.